Poster presentation is a great way to showcase your research at a national or international level scientific conferences to get instant feedback from the audience and experts. It also opens up doorways for future career paths and collaborations. I have already uploaded a detailed video on how to make a perfect scientific poster, where I have discussed about the benefits of poster presentation, its structure, layout and formatting. Its link is given in the description below. Hello and welcome back to Research and Publishing series of Explore Bio. In today's video, you will learn how to give a great poster presentation. I will provide some useful tips and mistakes to avoid to make your presentation an outstanding one. The first thing to remember is how to attract the audience attention so that they feel more interested to visit and listen to you. Making a perfect poster with a catchy title is one of the key elements audience first looks at. Check out this video to learn more about choosing a great title. I have explained in detail about making a perfect poster, which is prerequisite to get the attention of the audience. Wearing a welcoming body language is very important to invite the audience and have a look at your poster. Do not look like you are not interested to attend the audience. Stand on one side of your poster and during illustration, avoid blocking the view of the poster. Ask the audience if they want you to present your research to them. Also ask if they are aware about the topic or not. Introduce the research very well. Most listeners lose their attention in the midway of the presentation. Your aim is to keep them engaged till the end. For this, the first thing you need to do is give a brief outline of the poster. What was the problem you were trying to solve? What approach you used? What were the major findings? For each findings, you can provide intermediate conclusions. Each section and experiment should be connected with each other. It is your duty to make the audience understand why you did what you did. Do not forget to mention the significance of your work. As you are illustrating your poster, use your hands to point out to the relevant parts of the poster wherever required. Look at your audience instead of staring at your own poster entire time and reading out everything that is written there. This is a common mistake. Maintaining eye contact is very influential and keeps audience engaged with you in a conversation. Try to deliver presentation within 2 to 5 minutes time. Practice accordingly and choose what is important to be focused on. If the listener is interested or have any doubts, he or she may ask more details about it later on at the end of the poster presentation. Speak at a normal pace and clearly, else it will make it difficult for the listener to understand. Emphasize on important points by changing your tone and pace. Pause after you make an important point. Use simple, active voice without too much of lengthy sentences, filler words and jargons. Do not feel performance pressure. There is no formality. You just need to communicate effectively. Follow the same way you discuss with your colleagues. It is that simple. If there are multiple listeners, maintain eye contact with each of them to acknowledge that you see them. At the end, ask if your audience has any questions. Answer their questions to the best of your ability and don't be afraid to accept if you don't have an answer to it. Do not feel disheartened if you get less audience. Do not judge your worth with it. It may be just that the research area you are working might not be of their field of interest or relevance. Don't try too hard to make them listen. Just give your best to make a good quality of poster and illustrate your scientific research genuinely. So here we come to an end of this video. If you want to learn about various types of research presentations, how to write a synopsis, research proposal, research paper, review, how to choose a research supervisor, research topic, how to manage references, check plagiarism, publish research articles, and other videos related to research and publishing, I have made a complete series on it. If you find the video useful, do not forget to share it with others. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed about my latest uploads. Comment or email me about your requests and questions. Thanks and see you in my next video.